So, welcome. Another challenge. Mariebar here in Mariehamn has this challenge that the Devilsroll called. You need to eat like a roll that gets spicier and spicier and spicier the more pieces you're eating. And let's see if I can show you the pieces. So those ones are the milder ones. These ones are the eviler ones, or how do you say it? So you don't have a time challenge, you don't have anything like that. You can drink milk. So let's see. Here's some extra sauce. Quite nice sauce. Let's see. Real good sushi. You can feel the hotness already. Damn. Real good sushi. So apparently they put some real like hot sauce here and sprinkled with some peppers also. Oh, hiccups. On the first bite. Damn. So do I need to eat from the lightest to the...
No, you can eat as you want.
I can eat how I want. Okay.
It's just a suggestion.
Just a suggestion.
The recommendation.
Still I can speak. Not that bad. Burns in the mouth, of course. You didn't spice this extra much, right?
No.
Okay,
no,
good.
It's exactly the same as it's always.
Thank you. It's actually getting... The first bite was a little bit strong. The second piece felt better. So not that hot. Might be because the mouth is getting used to the hotness. But I think I will notice this tomorrow at the shitter. So if you have a hot, if you can come via Mariebar here and taste this, I recommend it. It's spicy, but it's also really good. Not that bad. The hotter ones I'm a little bit afraid of. Just look at this one. Like a lot of sauce. There wasn't no milk drinking, but I actually have a retro cola. So, damn. Oh, now. And if it's not hot enough, we have some extra sauce here. I think I'm gonna skip that. Yeah, I'm sure. Need some napkins, so the lovely wifey will get them.
We'll probably die in the car.
Yeah. So the first pieces are eaten. It's not that bad. It's still hot as fuck in the mouth, but it's manageable, I would say. A little bit sweaty, not that much. So Let's see. The first one of the bad ones. Okay. Yes. There are some bite in this last. Oh.
Okej, men då sitter du på den här. Nej,
Fuck.
Jaha.
It's actually hot. Like really hot.
Nähä. Hur kan det bjärt?
The good thing is we have 4 pieces left. Well, I could fast eat those.
I must tell you some
Yeah. Yeah.
Den här andra halvan, så det chili som är runt på utsidan av riset, det är våran egenodlade Carolina Reaper.
Oh fuck's sake. They have Reaper sprinkled on this one. Okay.
Should have not have said that.
No. Let's see, let's fast eat this.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You will try to fast eat it.
Yes.
So interrupt him.
Quick question. The 5 pieces, do you trust me? With afterwards?
Surprise me.
Okay.
This is spicy.
Will we survive the aftermath? That's the question. Ja. Man brukar försöka på sommaren på helgerna. Men pensionär, jag tycker inte just
Last piece.
Eller så har hon ont i magen hela natten. Eller så har hon ont i magen hela natten. Det är också ett alternativ.
This is hot. This is fucking hot.
Yay, you did it!
Come and try it out if you can. I really recommend it.
Är du inte sparka?
Bye.